Unbelievably simple. How to retire in your 30s or earlier. What if you could retire in your own home? The 30s cover all expenses. You have lots of time to spend with family and friends doing what you love. You will never need to work again. Comfortable retirement can take many years. Dedicated to saving and investing. Hopefully, you won't be there any longer. You'll be able to work and have enough income to retire. It's possible with just a little planning. If you are already in your 30s, it is time to retire. You can still retire after that age. Record-breaking times with some thought. Find out what you should do right away. To ensure a successful outcome, you must be prepared. Retirement in a fraction of the time. You're going to do more than is usually necessary. You will be amazed at how simple this is. Smart Simplified will teach you personal finance, money management and investment. If you are interested in investing, improve your financial future. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get your hit. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. Estimate how much you are spending. Your expenses are a crucial component of retirement while it's impossible to determine how much you'll make in an annual income. Need an estimate? This is an excellent place to start. Will your annual spending be the same? Expect to live a completely different lifestyle. If you are planning on traveling often, you should consider buying luxury items. Those extra costs also. Budgeting is a must. Health-related expenses that will be different from if you were receiving. Once you are employed, you will receive benefits. Find out how to multiply your annual spending by 25. If your annual expenditure is 40, that's a lot of money. You will need approximately $1 million. Provide enough income to cover retirement last. Without considering taxes, this is a withdrawal of 4% substantial rate. The best part about buying your first home is the support you receive. Many benefits are available for those who are mentally healthy, financially and emotionally ready to make a move. Leap into home ownership. Being a homeowner is a great way to get the best of both worlds. Financial security is possible because you no longer need to worry about your landlord raising your rent if real estate prices spiraling out of control. You will be responsible for managing the property and maintenance costs. Property taxes and insurance are on the rise. It's your responsibility to fix it when it goes wrong. Your regular expenses will increase a little. They may be a little slower over time, but they won't last forever. Your rent will rise at the same pace as it would for your house. The price paid for the property. The mortgage payment will continue to be the same. This locks you into a fixed housing price to some extent. This puts you in an even better position. I was wondering if your housing cost is rising. You don't always need to have a lot of down payments for buying a home. With less than 5% down, you can have space in your user's home. Renting out a property provides you with an enormous advantage. Chance to lower what is likely be your largest expense. Renting out unutilized space is the best option. For those who are already a member, it is possible for homeowners if they are a renter. House hacking and renting out a portion of a house. Your property could generate monthly income. Income that can be used as a way to offset your expenses. Housing costs. It's possible to be methodical when you do it correctly. Your mortgage covers all other expenses. House hacking is a great way to save money. The advantage when you are trying to retire early, your housing costs will go up. There are many ways to invest your money. Your retirement income requirements. Going to be significantly less. Just think about how much simpler it will be to become financially independent when you retire. The most significant expense is covered. This method applies to a wide range of situations. Rents are more expensive than values, so they tend to be higher. There are many ways to manage your property. Style and lifestyle preferences. The most common is to purchase a multi-family home and can occupy one unit, and the other units can be rented. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of buying a multi-family house you can rent, you can add additional rooms to your home single-family home. If you own a 3-bedroom apartment, only 1 bedroom is permitted. You can rent the apartment individually or together, long-term or on short-term basis. It is possible to rent additional bedrooms. An excellent way to cut costs. Common excuses for not implementing are because people don't want to live with their tenants. If you don't wish to, there are no restrictions. Instead, you can rent outside space out as parking or storage space. When you start to offset your housing, it's easy to reduce costs, keep your expenses low. They make a considerable portion of their monthly income. You're going to build wealth through real estate. And all that cash can invest it elsewhere. Even though it will be your most significant expense, you still have to take care of it. Keep an eye out for other hidden costs that could easily creep up. It's simple to set up transportation. Do not allow yourself to be influenced by the mindset of always. You need the most recent and most fantastic car, look rich and be rewarded, but don't forget a large car payment will negate your savings. Just think how vital driving is when you were young. A brand new car was yours. Carefully analyze all other significant expenses in your budget, such as eating out. The frugal habits that you have established before retirement will enable you have financial freedom faster. The point is you can decide if this is what you want to upgrade your lifestyle. Your career field will provide you with a lifetime of work. You want to choose your profession. Take care. It doesn't always make sense. Spend 6 to 8 years earning a salary when you are planning on pursuing a specialized degree. Spend little when you retire in your 30s. Consider occupations that require a degree. An example of an electrician is highest paying jobs require no degree. They receive training and have license. They start earning a healthy income. You can work for a company, but you also have the option to be a part of it. It's easy to be an employee in this industry. Start your own business, start earning as an electrician. Another option is a career as a teacher. Sales, where there is a high income potential. High because it is commission-based with all the extra money in your budget. Implementing the strategies will result in a significant improvement in your life. You'll need to take the proper steps. Think about how much income you could make. A sensible lifestyle and a significant income are key factors to invest money. Selecting the suitable investments for you and growth goals. You want to make enough interest. Your assets start to compound interest as soon as possible. Don't be reckless when you make investments that are not safe. It is likely to lead in a loss. For example, if you started with zero. Start investing good amount of money, you could earn good returns for your dollars. Allocating most of the capital to investors is the best way to make money. Their portfolio to something more stable. Broad market index funds and ETFs. Leave a 10% portion to invest in more speculative investment, like individual stocks. Cryptocurrency. After completing these steps, consider starting a side hustle in your area at your free time. You should be able to enjoy every moment of your waking hours. Coming home from work is a side job. It could take you just a few hours to hustle a week, working in another job. It could be your line of work, or it could just be a minor job. Business is a good idea, preferably one that pays well. Popular and potentially lucrative sideline. Selling and buying items are two of the hustles. Babysitting, dog sitting or social media, and co-hosting cleaning homes or auto detailing. There are many options available, and you should explore them all. Your passion and skill set might be a plus. You may find you like it more than you thought. It's the primary job, but it's more lucrative. Implementing a plan and then following through. These steps are not only possible but also possible. It's possible to retire in your 30s. It's easy. These methods apply to almost anyone, even if you are older than that age group. If you cannot work or are ill, it is best to prepare for retirement. These steps can be used at the retirement age to become financially free in an unrecorded amount of time. Thanks for watching Smart Simplified channel.